कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। श्री श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत मध्य लीला चैप्टर 20 श्री श्री सनातन शिक्षा स्टार्ट। जीवीर स्वरूप है कृष्णेर नित्यदास, कृष्णेर तटस्थ शक्ति भेदाभेद प्रकाश, सुजान सुकिरंजन अग्निज्वालाचार्य, स्वाभाविक कृष्ण तीन प्रकार शक्ति है। कृष्ण स्वाभाविक तीन शक्ति परिणति, चित शक्ति, जीव शक्ति और माया शक्ति। जीविक स्वरूप है कृष्ण। श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु spoke to Sanatana Goswami, जीव का स्वरूप। We are soul, immortal, no death, no birth. Always, we are always present. We are servant of Shri Krishna. कृष्ण तटस्थ शक्ति भेदाभेद प्रकाश। कृष्ण विभिन्न अंश शक्ति, तटस्थ शक्ति, भेद एंड अभेद। कृष्ण is सच्चिदानंद विग्रह, जीवा also सच्चिदानंद। श्री कृष्ण is बृहत्, व्यापक, everywhere. Jiva is small products. It is very different. Anu Gyan, Anu Ananda, Anu Chaitanya. Very small part. Jiva. But Jiva never dies, never takes birth, always coming and going. In this way, unlimited thing. Like we see unlimited Jiva living each body. So many trillion souls living in body. There are some persons taking birth. Everyone cannot take birth. Like an ant, small ant, huge. Same way, Jiva, huge Jiva. They are giving example like sun rays. Sun rays is very small potency. But all together, this rays coming and lighting.
但是由对升起的这个过程当中，所有的光聚集在一起，就要遮住
Like Agni Jala.
能量。 光的能量。
Agni means fire.
阿克尼代表火，火神，阿克尼火。
So fire body.
火燃烧，
Fire have heat.
火里面本身就有产生热量，当燃烧的时候就有热量，
River is separate.
所以它的这种热和这个火燃烧两者是可分割的东西。
In this way, Sri Krishna's three energy,
所以实际上有三种能量：
transcendental energy,
超然的能量、灵性型
Jiva's energy,
高等
Jiva
基吧阴性能量，
and Maya Shakti.
还有第三个低等能量玛雅沙体，玛雅，阴体是这个气的。
In this way, three Shakti, Chit Shakti, Jiv Shakti, and Maya Shakti.
所以气沙体高等能量，基沙体
Like Vishnu Puran,
第三个玛雅的能量。
Vishnu Shakti Paraprutta,
在维生素我们是说
Vishnu Shakti Para,
就是那个
Para Shakti,
是华亚沙体是完整的，
Apara Kshetra.
好的，
Kshetra Shakti, Kshetram Janati iti Kshetra. Who knows, who has knowledge, this body, this Kshetra.
接着，
But don't know any other person.
只知道这个身体里面发生的一切，没有知道的知识，这是但是所
Karma Sangha,
发生的一切。
Avidya Shakti. In this way, three Shakti.
没有智慧的，而且是难洗的，就是为什么这三个能量。
Also, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Apara yam itastu annam prakritim vidhivi para bhumi rapa analur bhumi jal agni vayu akash material energy.
水、火、土、空气、一块，这是五种的
Five energy.
五种的资源，所以是
This is Apara Shakti.
所以称为是 opera。
Other is Parashakti,
另外的拉沙体，
Jiva, Jiva Bhuta Maha.
基吧，
Jiva Rupa Prakriti is Para.
基吧不好的，
Apara is Jara
本
Prakriti.
来的意思进行一个不是改。
In this way, Jiva is coming and going.
因此，
Chile, ke kotha hote? Krishna bole sai ji anadi bahirmu atai maya tare de samsara didu. So Jiva forgot to see Krishna.
但是这几年我忘记了
Not
是
now,
不是现在，
long time before.
是在很久之前。
When start creation
当创造之初的时候，
at that time.
那个时候，
But before creation,
在创造之前呢，
before, how many times
就在
creations come?
有多少次
World come and how many times Jiva come in? Anyone can't understand.
显现出现，就任何的背后就对不知道。
In this way, long time forgot to see Krishna.
很久就忘记了实际上，就是忘记实际上在
This ignorance,
这就是愚昧，
avidya,
好微别。
knowledge. Without knowledge, by the avidya, Jiva is falling in the material life.
好微别，个体灵魂
Always feeling pain,
感受痛苦，不幸。
कबू स्वर्गे उठाए कबू नरके डुबाए दंड जने राजा जन नदी ते चुवाय. Like sometimes going up heaven planet, sometimes going hell in Narak, like Aparadhi, offender man. So the king sometimes give him down, sometimes going up. In this way, Jiva is moving in this world. Vayam ditya bhijivi satasya. When forgot to Sri Krishna, in this way, Jiva have absurd mood or avish, absurd mood and attachment to Maya. Forgot to Sri Krishna. Ishad Apitasya going back to long distance. In this way, forgot to Sri Krishna, long time passed. Before Yayo Smriti, knowledge already lost. No knowledge, nothing. What is doing, what is not doing, cannot control himself. In this way, Jiva is falling in Maya. Then Maya, in this material world, everywhere have Maya, cheating, wrong. तर माया अतो बुद्धिमान पुरुष, इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन्स, आवजित्वम भगवंतम श्री कृष्णम आवजित. So Sri Krishna serving to Sri Krishna. Everywhere have Maya. Isham, Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. Ekaya Bhakti, only 1 point more bhakti, by this bhakti, following bhajan, seva, and serving to Gurudev. साधु शास्त्र कृपाय यदि कृष्ण मुख সেই জীব নিস্তারে মায়া তারে ছাড়. সাধু শাস্ত্র mercy, sadhu's mercy, shastra's mercy. In this way, if someone following to Sri Krishna, following bhajan, then those jivas going back to Krishna place. Maya left him. Maya means ignorance. Daiviji sagunamai Maya durataya. Sri Krishna Maya is very powerful, very strong Maya. Ignorance. Who is taking shelter to Sri Krishna is going up. Otherwise cannot go. Maya mukta jivir nahi Krishna smriti gyan. Jivir kripay kaila Krishna Veda Puran. Jiva is fallen in Maya.
鸡吧，个体被人的话掉落在妈
In this way, he has no knowledge Krishna's birth.
因此对这种不是那个思维底
So Lord Sri Krishna gave mercy.
只有谁给上给人慈，
In this way, he manifests Vedas, Puranas, all Shastras.
谁给上给人慈显呈现经典伟大。
Shastra Guru Atma Rupe Apunari Jana Krishna Murtata Prabhutrata Jivir Hai Gyan. Shastra Guru Atma
经典咕噜
himself.
阿特玛
So Sri Krishna showing,
是 Krishna
give him knowledge. Sri Krishna is our Prabhu, he is our worshipful Lord.
是 Krishna 真是
He is Trata, give him liberation.
他是可以给
No anyone give him. In this way,
除此他之外没有
Jiva, they got knowledge.
因此
Yeah.
个体的人就这样得到了这种知识。
Veda Shastra Kai Sambandha Avidya Prayojan Krishna Prapya Sambandha Bhakti Prapya Sadha. Veda
伟大
spoke three things.
讲了三个
Sambandha, relation,
的关系。
then duty
第二个
and goal.
第三个上班的
Duty is sadhana. Goal is our praying. sadhana.
职责就是为萨达那民族成就。
Krishna is our relation.
第二就是我们目标，所有者的一个目标。
In this way,
最高的目标。
Sambandha Avidya Prayojan.
第二所有者关系成就的目标。
Purushartha Shiromani Prem Mahadha. Our Purushartha, topmost goal is Prem Purushartha. Krishna Madhurya Seva Praptera Gara. Krishna Seva Kari Krishna Rasaswada. Krishna Madhurya.
Krishna 是能够讲，
Sri Krishna Madhuri. This is all good quality.
是 Krishna 有所有的好。
And Seva, how can find?
第二个，
In this way, Krishna Seva Kari Krishna Rasaswada. Serving to Sri Krishna
服务是 Krishna，
and tasting Sri Krishna Ras.
品味是 Krishna 的 rasa， 品味是 Krishna 的 rasa。
Yate drishtanta jaisi darijira gare sarvagasi dukkha dekhi puchai tare. In this way,
因此，
Mahaprabhu gave one example.
拉还在这里举个例子，
One poor man house.
一个非常贫穷的人家，
Astrologer came there.
是一个有一个星象师就来了，
Asked to him, why you are unhappy?
问到这个贫穷的人为什么你不快乐？
You have lot of money.
你有很多的钱，
Paitri Sampati, your parents gave money for you.
你的父母给你了很多财产，
Why become unhappy?
但是你还是看起来，你还是不快乐。
But when you left, when your father left body, that time could not speak to you.
而你的父亲离开人世的时候，你的父亲跟你没办法，他就不讲话。
Left body another place.
你在另外一个地方的话，离开了人世。
Then the astrologers are told to him, oh, your land, you can search. You will find your sampati, money, gold,
可以
silver.
在你的家中，在你的这块地盘上，可以
Same way, Ved Puran give him
找到一个
instances.
地方。
सर्वज्ञेर वाक्ये मूलधन अनुबंधन सर्वशास्त्र उपदेश श्री कृष्ण संबंध. All Shastra giving instructions. So Krishna is our relation.
有关系，非常跟我们有关系。
We have relation with him.
我们和谁非常有关系。
बापे धन आचे जाने धन नहीं पाए सर्वज्ञ कही तारे प्राप्ति उपाय. We have huge money gold, but we don't know how can find astrologer gold. One process.
也同样，这个宗教师就说到，要从一个
এই স্থানে আছে ধন বলে দক্ষিণে খুঁদিবে. If you are going direct south direction,
往南边，
then ভীমরুল বরুলি উঠিবে ধন না পাইবে. Then black bumblebee and yellow color bumblebee, very dangerous.
黑色的大黄蜂啊，
They are coming out. You cannot find dham. You cannot find gold, silver, money. পশ্চিমে খুদিবে তা যক্ষই হয়, সে বিঘ্ন করিবে ধনে হাত না পড়ায়.
黑色的，
If going west direction,
非常的，
then one yokha coming.
所以非常的有困难，所以在那里。
Cannot find.
那另外呢，在西边，
উত্তরে খুদিলে
奥秘在等着你。
আছে কৃষ্ণ জগৎ. Means going to south direction.
这里代表的就是
What is, oh, I can get Siddhi, but cannot find
你
it.
要在南边，你可以找到西比瑜伽的有关，
So many danger.
但是非常多的危险，这个有一个黄蜂。
When going to west,
那你去到西
Yakhuka,
南边，然后你去到西边，
Siddhi, will be problem.
What city? The south side is city. West side also city.
Wonderful magic. I clap at once. Oh, magic. Black magic.
然后就说的这些到北京有什么？有没有那些教你这些咒语啊？
First directions,
咒语方面法，
Yak.
咒语
Going to north directions,
话语。
black snake.
那你知道哪北边？北边有什么？北边
Dangerous snake,
就有一个非常危险的黑蛇，是想毒蛇出现。
like Sajidya Mukti.
那这个黑色的毒蛇就有你撒入在灵界之间，
Then big problem.
你会是问题。
পূর্ব দিকে তাতে মাটি অল্প খুদিতেই going east direction.
所以你去到东边，
Something little big. At once you will find lot of money.
你要去到东边，然后这里是开始。
ঐক্য শাস্ত্র কয়ে কর্ম জ্ঞান যুক্ত যে
简单两个彩头，
left কর্ম
因此
selfish desire, selfish mood.
放弃果报活动，放弃
Knowledge
欲望，放弃知识，
and yoga,
放弃瑜伽，
all are problem.
这些都是你
Don't go
不要
there.
去放下，所以不要去到
ভক্তে কৃষ্ণ বস হয় ভক্তে তারে ভরি. Only by the bhakti Krishna control.
只有通过奉爱知识才会得到控制，
By this bhakti servant to Sri
只有通过这种奉爱去服务。
Krishna. No sadhayati mam yogo, no sankham dharma uddhava, no sadhayastapastyago, yatha bhakti mamorjita. In Srimad Bhagavata spoke, na sadhayati mam yogo. By the yogas, anyone cannot control me. By the Sankhya knowledge, by this knowledge, not possible.
通过知识可以发现。
Varnashram dharma, family religion, in this way cannot control to me. No sadhaya tapasya. Many persons are following tapasya, doing meditation.
在做冥想，
By the meditation not possible.
有可能得到我。
By the study books
通过研习经典，
not possible.
也找不到。
By the renounced life not possible. Only I control my bhakti.
只有痛爱才能控制我。
Bhakta amikaya grahya. Devotees, they control me by the only bhakti.
控
Guru
制的
bhakti.
话，控制我只有通过他们纯粹的奉爱。
Bhakti punati mannishtha sapaganapi sambhava. Bhakti Devi making purity and give him nishtha. Sapagan, if dog eater, they are coming
甚至只有如果
to
有高
me,
的人，
following bhakti.
我也可以放弃对随奉爱。
Atai bhakti Krishna praptera upay. Avidya valitari sarva shastre. In this way, bhakti is only one subject. So by the bhakti Krishna getting to Sri
只
Krishna.
有奉爱这一个科目，只有通过奉爱才能得到水कृष्ण。
So this Bhakti Devi is Avidya.
这个奉爱女神是阿维迪亚。
By the bhakti we have connection with Sri Krishna.
通过这种能量奉爱的
Dhan paile joi Jesu bhog phal pai. Sukh bhog hoite dukkha apane pala. He found lot of money, gold, silver,
发现了大量的，
then automatically happiness coming.
虽然好呀，你就会得到快乐。
And those unhappiness or no, automatically going out. तो इसे भक्ति भले कृष्ण प्रेम उपजाय प्रेमी कृष्ण स्वादले भवनाश. By this bhakti, so Krishna prem coming.
为什么的宠爱
By the Krishna prem, automatically bhavanas.
这样让大家
দারিদ্র নাশ ভবক্ষয় প্রেমের ফল নয় প্রেম সুখ মুখ প্রয়োজন